Hey, welcome back to my Martin MPC Quick Start tutorial. Today we're at part 2 of this tutorial and we're going to look at patching your lights or your fixtures. That just means to add your fixtures to the software, to the program. So the first thing I'm going to do to patch my lights, I have some lights I'm going to patch. So I'm going to open my MPC menu and I'm going to click on patch. Okay, so from here we are going to click on commands and we're going to say new fixture. So the easiest way for me to find my lights is to click on search, and I'm going to search for my lights that I have, and it's a Chauvet Slimpar Tri 12. So Slimpar Tri 12. There we go, it found it. That's very good. And now it shows me some options that the lights have. It either has a 3-channel mode or a 7-channel mode. So that all depends on what setting your lights are on. I like to just have more control over my lights. So my lights, they're already on the 7-channel mode. So then I just click auto patch and I can give it a name, any name you want, but I'm just going to keep it short, and that way I also know what light it is. It's a Tri 12, so that'll be the name of my light. So the next thing here is the amount of lights. I have let me count, 1 2 3 4 5 of these Tri 12s, but they are all set up for my stage front of house lighting. So I'm going to use all of them on the same channel. I'm basically going to use them as one light, so they're all going to be on the same channel. So I'm just going to keep the amount at 1 because I want all of them. If I want one to be blue, I want all of them to be blue. If I want one to be white, I want all of them to be white. So I'm gonna leave it like that. And then the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna leave the start ID at 1, universe at 1, and I like to deselect the auto on for my address. I like to enter that manually. You might have a different address than I have, but this is my first light I'm programming, so I set it on the light to channel 1. So my address is also going to be channel 1. As you can see, it shows up here, it's taking up 7 channels in my DMX universe. Channel 1 to 7, it's green, so that means I'm ready to go, and I can say apply to patch. Okay, my first light has been patched. Let me patch my second light. So I'm gonna go command new fixture, and the second light I'm gonna patch, let me just hit search, is the Slimpar 64 RGBA. That's also a Chauvet light, shows up here very nicely. I'm very happy with the fixture library the software has. It really has a broad fixture library, and if a fixture is not there, if it's just a simple fixture, you can always just add normal channels and use it that way. Martin actually has on their website, you can request a fixture and they will send you, they will create the fixture for you and they will send that to you. Otherwise, there's also a fixture studio or a fixture creation tool available from Martin that you can actually create your own programs, your own files for your fixtures. I've never tried it, but it is available, it is there if you want to use it. So once again, my mode here is a 8-channel mode. So I'm going to click auto patch, and my name, I'm just gonna call it Slim Bar 64. That's it, that's a name. The amount, once again the same. I have more than one, but I want all of them to work together, so I'm gonna leave the amount on 1, and then I'm gonna skip down to address. I'm gonna deselect that so I can choose my own address, and I want this address to be 17, because that's just the setting that my light is on. So let's put that on 17. Okay, and then my last fixture I'm gonna add is just a normal dimmer channel for just some blinders I have on stage. So I think if I just search for channel, yes, generic channel, and that is it. Just one channel I want to add, and I'm gonna name this my blinders. Amount is 1, and then my address, I'm gonna put this on 16 because that is what that dimmer is set to on the dimmer itself. Apply to patch. Okay guys, that is it for patching your lights. You can close your patch, and that is wonderful. Always remember to save, and thank you for watching this video. I'm really glad it's this short. Please like the video and subscribe, and remember to watch my next video where we're going to look at programming our lights. We're getting close to being ready to run our show. See you in the next video.